Hello, my name is Björn Rosqvist and I'm a product specialist at Qoitech. I'm going to show how to use Otii regarding battery validation. Our battery validation tool makes it possible to customize how the battery is going to be discharged. I can add steps of charge, discharge and sleep. And I can add steps in more detail, how I would like to discharge the battery. Maybe I would like to test different pulses and see how the battery behaves. Maybe I would like to, in more detail, look at a specific discharge. Let me open up one example here. So here's one example I have. And that is narrowband IoT pulse. So I've set it up with constant power in different steps, where I then can see how the battery performs in a more customized discharge way. So as you can see here, I have discharge, the power, and the voltage, how the battery was affected. In this case, I have been using pretty big Li-Polymer battery that can handle a lot of current. And that was the battery used here to show this curve. So it's very easy to just go in and change and add more steps if I would like. So there is more or less no limit in how many steps I would like to have in this discharge profile. And also here I can stop at number of iterations, or if I reach my specific voltage level, not to over discharge a battery. I can also move over to charging phase. Let me show another example. So here I've used another battery. I've actually used the Nichicon, one SLB battery that is very quick to charge and discharge. So it's very easy to see cycling performance, for example. So here I have then different step, one discharge step of 280 milliamp until I reach my cutoff voltage. Then I will just go into a rest phase, sleep, to do recovery. Then I will charge the battery. So I will charge it full again and with 280 milliamp hours. And then I will sleep again. And then I can iterate this to have several iterations to be able to see how does my battery behave in cycle behavior. So I can then cycle the battery to see how it's the capacity and the voltage changes over time, for example. I can do combination of these different tools. I can do a battery profile for my battery in a new condition, just new from the factory, and do a discharge to get the information about the battery internal resistance and so on to be able to emulate this battery. Then I can move to a battery validation and do cycling. Maybe I would like to do 100 cycles of charge-discharge. And after I've done that, I can move back to do the battery profiling again, to do a new battery profile for a cycle battery, because the battery will definitely behave different after some cycling. And I can do this in any combination that I like.